Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Google Sheets, how to extract only specific days of the week, like every Friday, from a whole month's worth of dates. By the end of this video, you'll be able to quickly filter out just the days you need, which can save you a ton of time, whether you're scheduling, tracking habits, or analyzing data. Let's dive right in. Alright, so let's imagine you have a column in Google Sheets that lists every single day of July. That's your full data range, and if you scroll down, you see every date from July 1st to July 31st. Now, let's say you only want to pull out all the Fridays from this list. Maybe Fridays are important for reporting, payroll, or planning events. Rather than checking every row manually, which would take ages, there's a way to let Google Sheets do the hard work for you. What you want to use is the filter function combined with the weekday function. Together, these two formulas are like a magic pair. Filter quickly pulls out only the data you want, and weekday lets you specify which day of the week you're looking for. We're going to build a formula that tells Google Sheets, hey, give me only the dates that fall on Fridays. Here, what that formula looks like. Equals sign, then filter, open parentheses, your data range, then a comma, and finally, weekday of your data range equals 6. So it looks like this. Equals filter data range, weekday data range equals 6. Let's break that down a bit. First, your data range, just select all the dates for July. For example, let's say your dates are in column A from A2 down to A32. Your formula would start with equals filter A2, A32. Next, the weekday function, this is where all the magic happens. Weekday takes a date and returns a number. By default, 1 is Sunday, 2 is Monday, all the way through to 7, which is Saturday. So for Fridays, the formula needs to look for 6. That means you're telling Google Sheets, only grab the dates where the weekday is 6, which lines up with Friday. So when you put it all together, your full formula would be equals filter A2, A32, weekday A2, A32 equals 6. After typing in the formula, go ahead and press enter. Google Sheets will instantly give you a new list showing every single Friday from July. It's that quick. If nothing happens, don't worry. Double check that your data range is correct and that your dates are formatted properly as dates. Sometimes, if the dates are just text and not real date values, the formula won't work as expected. This method isn't just limited to Fridays. If you want Wednesdays instead, for example, just change the 6 to a 4, since Wednesday is the 4th day if you start counting from Sunday. It's super flexible and really opens up a lot of possibilities, whether you're managing rotas, keeping up with weekly deadlines, or filtering out weekends and holidays. And there you have it. You now know how to extract specific days of the week from any range of dates in Google Sheets, fast, accurate, and with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial useful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into any tricky spots, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.